Welcome to Ngoc May Kids. We'll bring interesting lessons for children. Toothbrush, toothbrush, toothbrush. Toothpaste, toothpaste, toothpaste. Rinse mouth, rinse mouth, rinse mouth. Brush teeth, brush teeth, brush teeth. Scrub teeth, scrub teeth, scrub teeth. Mouthwash, mouthwash, mouthwash. Floss teeth, floss teeth, floss teeth. Dental floss, dental floss, dental floss. Gums, gums, gums. Front teeth, front teeth, front teeth. Molar teeth, molar teeth, molar teeth. Tartar, tartar, tartar. Tooth decay, tooth decay, tooth decay. Dental checkup, dental checkup, dental checkup. Bacteria, bacteria, bacteria. Tooth enamel, tooth enamel, tooth enamel. Dentist, dentist, dentist. Cavity, cavity, cavity. Tooth sensitivity, tooth sensitivity, tooth sensitivity. Brushing technique, brushing technique, brushing technique. Tooth sensitivity, tooth sensitivity, tooth sensitivity. Fluoride, fluoride, fluoride. Brushing technique, brushing technique. Brushing technique. Soft bristles, soft bristles, soft bristles. Hard bristles, Hard bristles. Hard bristles. Healthy teeth. Healthy teeth. Healthy teeth. To not miss the next video, please click subscribe and share the video. Thank you.